Alright guys, Den Morano back here with Rockland Reelers, and right now I am kayaking on Lake Tiorati. It is the second week of September, and the season is coming to a close. Right now, just trolling a little bit on the bottom, white curly tail jig head. See if I can get anything before I reach my destination. And hopefully we can either see some smallmouth today or some really big pickerel. Basically, right now, you're gonna see all of my escapades here at Lake Tiorati from early March up until, I'd say right now, I might even add some October footage if I can get out here later on. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy and you know, see this lake for what it's worth. Ooh, there we go. That's a fish. That's a fish. There we go. That's a fish. All right. That's a decent fish. Oh yeah. Small, no, largemouth. Right there. Oh, thank God. So I found the spot, guys. At least for now, a nice place to fish. Release the fish. I just caught my second pick on the green again. Oh, about the same size. Roughly the same size. I literally was just paddling away from where I was, and he came up and just slammed it immediately. So he's not hooked very well. He is not hooked well at all. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna try to. I hate these things. Gonna get that thing out of you, man. Gonna, oh my God, he's got terrifying fangs on him. Oh. So, second one of the day. Right here, second pick. Didn't get the full catch on tape, but not as thick as the last one, but he's got a big freaking head on him. Literally, as I was pulling off, I was literally gonna keep the battery saved as I was paddling out there, but this stuff, they're like eels, this stuff will not come off. So, as you can see, I've just hooked into a big white perch. Very big white perch. Oh wow, he's nice. Let me get that shit out of the lens. Some smudgies. Some water. Look at that shit. This by far is my biggest white perch. Oh shit. Indefinitely. That's great. Okay. So I'm gonna get an underwater release of this guy. For sure. Look at that, beautiful. I don't think I've caught white perch this big in Hudson. No. Swim. Oh shit. Alright. So, I just got here to Lake Tiorati. First cast. Caught a nice largemouth bass. I could probably get that hook out. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not as bad as it could be. But, alright. So, Oh wait, yeah, like a pound-ish, somewhat. Okay, 98% battery. Release of my first bass of the day. Oh, there we go. That's a nice fish. This is a much more decent bass. And he's stuck on the pads. Great. Nope, got him out. All right. This one's a little bit bigger. Okay. Ah, shit. Come on, get out. I was about to lose my shit. Looks like I found a good spot, though. Alright. He's skinny, man. He is not eating anything. No wonder he's, like, hitting whatever falls. So I found a nice little spot. Alright, sweet. So let's let this guy go. Camera rolling. Alright. Biggest bass so far. Fish. Fish. Fish right here. I don't know what it is, but it's a fish. It's fucking... I think it's a smaller. It's not big. Yeah, it's a largie. Largemouth. But they hit the fucking Senko, so that's good. I just don't want them to fucking get off. And somewhere to put this damn thing. Alright. Sponsored by Coors Light. There's a little guy. Yeah. Little tiny largie. Alrighty. I got a decent bass. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's a nice fish. That's an awesome fish. Oh, okay. I gotta loosen this thing up. Come on. You kidding? This is what I came here for today. All day long. Was a bass. Oh boy, he friggly fucked me. Well, anywho. This is a solid 3-pound fish right here. Solid 2-3 pounds. He's bleeding all over my pants. Great. Don't do that. Okay. Oh, and the worm slid it right out. Perfect. Okay, so besides the blood, yeah, nice bass. Okay guys, so I just caught one of my biggest smallies just now, and he's barely hooked. So I had the option of either turning this camera on or getting him in the boat, and I got him in the boat. Thank Jesus, he's in the boat. I literally was just talking shit about how I could not catch a smallie, and I caught one of my biggest smallies of the year. But now it's a matter of getting that hook out of his face right now without losing him. Inside of my thumb is shot because of this fish. Alright, well, let's get an outer view. There we go, guys. Oh, Jesus. These fish just do not take it easy. They do not want to rest, settle, nothing. This is a great fish. This is my biggest one of the year. Definitely at least 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds. He's got a little bit of a growth on his mouth too. That's kind of nasty. Jesus. Underwater release of my first big smallie. All right. Oh. This is a big largemouth. Oh my God, he's bigger than the one I have. Hey, fucking. Oh my God. Holy shit. I gotta find my scale in my car. This fish is gigantic. Holy shit balls. This fish is huge. Oh my God. I can't get enough. Oh my God. All right, so I got 1 minute left on this camera. I'm saving the rest for the underwater release, but check it. This is at least a 4 or 5 pound bass. Largemouth. This fish is enormous. I didn't even know he swallowed it. Oh, he did swallow it. Shit. 4 to 5 pound largemouth bass released underwater. Oh. Alright guys, so I just caught my biggest pumpkin seed ever. BP pumpkin seed. Look at the size of this fish. Holy shit. On a trout magnet. Right here off the dam. Trying to fucking, I want to get a good pic of that right now. This is the biggest pumpkin seed I've ever caught in my life. Whew. So yeah, biggest pumpkin seed, monster fish right here. That is really cool. A little guy. Little bass on here. Little shitter. You little turd. I hooked him good though. Oh, little smallie. Okay. So I'm gonna leave. Got a fish here. Yep, that's a fish. Oh, Smallie, holy shit. Aggressive. Oh, he fucking swallowed it. Come on. Come on. Into the boat. Holy shit. Whoo. Whoo. Oh my god. Did I get that? Fuck, I don't even know. And now I'm drifting. Drifting is Senko. On tape. I hope I got that on tape. That Senko was drifting off the back of the boat. Is it recording? Yeah. Holy shit. Well, now, pliers, pocket. Gotta find those pliers, because I gotta cut this hook out of his throat, because he fucking definitely swallowed it. I could already tell. But, you know, make sure you don't rip it out of their throat and just cut it. They have a better odds of living. Oh yeah. I gutted him. I gutted him pretty deep. Alrighty, so gonna cut that then. Get that out of him. And it's gonna. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a pretty decent smallmouth. I'd say like 1.5 pounds, 2. Close. All right, so not the worst thing in the world. That's pretty good. I'm happy. Look at that, nice fish. I don't know if we could see that, but yeah. Smallmouth bass, decent size. I know, it sucks, buddy. That sucks. All right, so yeah. First catch of the day, nice 2-pound smallie. Trolling a Senko, which is totally awesome, so I'm excited. So let's see if we can get an underwater release of this guy. So right now I'm trolling across this little shoreline. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's a nice fish. That's a pickerel. The little shit burglar. You're fucking up my game, you little asshole. Little fucking. Huh. Little pickerel. Oh! Oh yeah, yep. He slammed on my hand, and now I'm fucking bleeding, and he bit into my hand. Pretty cool, but it hurts. Ouchies. Do I have napkins? That's a far stretch. No. Yeah, fuck. That's not good. It's like fucking, I fucked up big time. I got my nice fucking hat, which I don't really care about. So Wow. That, oh my God. Fuck everything. Fish. Small fish. It's okay. Oh. It's not bad. That's not bad. It's a chunky little fucking largemouth. Holy shit. I don't know what the fucking angle is on this stupid fucking camera lens. I got, yeah. Hooked him right in the side of the mouth. Alright, you fucking dopey fucking bastard. I can't get a break today. I really can't. I can't. So yeah, brown Senko, just snagged this nice 1 pounder. Out, up, I don't fucking know. Like, this thing is on my head, and I have no clue, like, the range on it, but it's, I don't know, it's shit. It's, in my opinion, it's shit, so. Terrible. There we go, I got a bass. Got a decent largemouth. Shit. Whew, right through the lip. Oh my God. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. I don't know how I did not have the drag set. Whew. It's a nice fish. There's quite a catch right here. Tan colored Senko. All right. Enough of the formalities. There we go. Yada yada. Oh. This little fatty. Huh. Little guy. Pretty looking. Oh, I won't say that. I'll give it that. Oh, for Christ's sake. Decent fish. That's a big pick. That's a very big pickerel. Oh. I don't want. They'll snap me. Oh, if I get bit, this is so bad. Oh. Oh, shit. His teeth are huge. All right. This is extremely dangerous. Oh my God. This is the biggest pickerel I've caught all year. This is tremendous. I don't know if this is recording. I hope this is recording. And the teeth on this fish are huge. This pickerel's gigantic. Holy shit. I'm shaking. Oh my God. I'm shaking purely out of excitement and fear because I got bit yesterday and it really effing hurt. Oh, I got a good grip on his gills though. So I got his head. All right. Let's get a good view on this fish. All right. Whew. Oh, that is scary shit. This is some scary shit. Fun, but the teeth on this fish. Something of nightmares. All right, guys. So this is the biggest pickerel I've ever caught. This pickerel's gigantic, teeth monstrous. So now